In neighborhood services, some of our projects are big. They make a big impact and cost big money. But even a small project that costs several $1,000s can mean the world to a family. On Tuesday's City Council meeting, Neighborhood Services Director Victor Turner asked Fort Worth City Council to pass a new policy to increase the city's Priority Repair Program limit from $5,000 per house to $25,000. This money isn't for fancy add-ons or HGTV-worthy remodels or even garages, and residents must meet income guidelines to qualify. The Priority Repair Program fixes only the critical and major systems of houses: roofs, plumbing, sewer lines, air conditioning, heating, flooring, electric, or gas. In other words, major systems repairs only, which are typically very costly to repair and directly impact a home's habitability. Think of it as a last lifeline for the house. So often, making small repairs to just one system just didn't get the job done. With more funding, the Priority Repair Team can do almost all the major system repairs that a house may need at one time and not have to settle for patchwork or reapplying every year. That's the goal, allowing our neighbors to continue to live in these homes, because these homes are an asset to homeowners and their families and to the neighborhood. City Council voted unanimously to pass the policy. The new policy goes into effect October 1st. For more information on the Priority Repair Program, call 817-392-7548 or visit fortworthtexas.gov/neighborhoods.